Printify exists to transform the world to on-demand manufacturing. We do it by connecting global merchants with print providers on our technological platform. The platform is e-commerce B2B marketplace, where merchants can design their products, publish their products, sell their products, and fulfill it using the Printify services. We process tens of thousands of orders per day on our platform, and there's a brilliant engineering team that makes all the magic happen.
First place you would likely end up when using Printify is the catalog. It's used to connect merchants with the product offerings of multiple print providers that you can create your custom designs on. Our engineers at Product Creation Squad are responsible for creating the most accessible product creation flow, both for new and existing merchants alike, so they can find their next best-selling product. Upon selecting a product that the merchant would like to sell, the mockup generator is initialized. This is where you can create a design as well as view it in 3D. We are constantly working on new features, revisiting existing ones, as well as tuning up the user interface so it improves the usability of the mockup generator. Our vision is that in near future, the mockup generator would be the only tool necessary to make a design, both for professional designers as well as users with no previous designing experience.
We are trying to provide the best user experience for our merchants with the different sales channel integrations. As Demand Integration Squad engineers, our responsibility is to make sure that merchants are able to connect to Shopify, Etsy, eBay or Amazon, to publish their products on our side that we can import orders and send tracking information back. We're importing hundreds of thousands of orders each day, millions each month. For me as an engineer, it means that the systems I design and build should be able to handle such load and be reliable so no single order is missed.
Order processing starts at the moment when order is placed on Printify platform. No matter how it got there, it could be manual placement, CSV, import or sales channel integration. We need to make sure that it will smoothly go through all the processes to fulfill it, and rapid growth of order volume does not affect the speed of the delivery and our overall performance of the system, so we need to be able to scale fast based on our needs and demand. There are a lot of things happening on the background of order processing. What merchants see is just a small green submit button, but what actually is going on when they hit it is a very complex process.
Our team covers such stages of merchant workflow as payment processing, tax calculation, and invoicing. We're doing our best to make these processes work as smoothly as possible and allow our merchants to perform their daily work without any worries about financial and legal compliance sides of it. The biggest challenges of our team in the near future are development of multi-currency support for our merchants and the expansion of Printify worldwide by being compliant in every country where our clients are operating.
This Applied Tech Squad is connecting Printify platform with manufacturers. It means that our project has direct communication only with the backend part of other applications. Dozens of domain and hundreds of application events were designed using event storming to support order processing and stock updates in real time. Different kinds of event-based approaches are helping us to solve data consistency issues, build logging, alerting, monitoring, and business analytics systems. The combination of synchronous and asynchronous way of communication gives us the flexibility to build a stable and scalable backend solution for our customers.
Printify Tech, for me, is an engineering paradise. Intense, high-tech, competitive. There are all sizes and shapes of engineers at the Printify. The ones best suited for technological vision and the culture possess these 5 traits. They are naturally curious and motivated by the challenges. They learn something every single day. They are fearless to take the risks and have a passion for the experimentation. They love and breathe clean code, and they play to win together.